Wish that nobody ever saw me useless when I'm never making money. Like, god damn, that mirror is dirty. I'm gonna go for a little walk here. Hopefully you enjoy the video. Leave a like or comment. Just know we've been running on the sidewalks. Alright, seriously though, I feel like you people deserve a better introduction. Hello everybody, welcome to the video. I'm gonna go not for a walk, but we're gonna bomb some hills with this guy right here. So I hope you enjoy the view, because I'm gonna enjoy it, and hopefully you go out there and do something too, you know, like not just sit on your phone type of thing, because that's what I was doing, and I decided to go do something productive, shoot a video. So seriously though, when the weather is this good, how come you're sitting at home playing video games or something? I don't get it, you know? It's just so happened that I was always a outside type of dude. I was always outside on the street because I didn't have a home. Just kidding. But no, I always wanted to do something. And you know, I noticed a lot of people here, they're not doing anything, you know, like they're just sitting at home and wasting their life away type of thing. So yeah, I just wanted to mention, because a lot of people don't understand it, and you know, like some people would say, oh, you're crazy, you know, like you're 22 years old and you're doing this shit, you know, like whatever, who cares? I love doing it, and hopefully I'm gonna make money soon, you know, shooting these videos, going on the board, you know, living life. Yeah.
Alright, so I'm just about to approach the first drop in, the first real speed here, and I just wanted to say a couple things about longboarding and stuff, because trust me, there is a difference between just longboarding, just using a longboard to go from A to B, and actually hill bombing mine. Because, you know, I'm into, you know, extreme sports, whatever you want to call it, like skateboarding, snowboarding, biking, whatever I can get my hands on, basically. So I decided to try longboarding not too long ago, and what could I say? It's the most, man, it's crazy, because once you actually commit and go down the hill, not just pussy out like I used to do, dude, it's literally, physics is awesome, and the speed, the velocity, the acceleration, everything that comes with it, beautiful. So I wanted to say a couple hints, a couple tips for longboarding. First of all, you gotta get yourself some good shoes. Yeah, boy, with the salmon socks, with the salmon color socks, because when you're on a longboard, the last thing you want to have is your foot slip off a board and you just vanish. So that's, I think that's the most important part. Not talking about the gear, and yeah, I did the disclaimer before, but you know, gear is number one all the time. But because for the cinematic purposes, I did not wear any gear today. I want to look good, type of thing, you know. I'm wearing some of this, advertising my brand here. Just kidding. But yeah, here it is. And honestly, if I could give another tip for longboarding, for actually going down the hill, is you just gotta commit and do it. You just gotta do it. There's no way around it. And when you're going, there's no way of stopping. You don't stop. You just go. Kind of like snowboarding, but not really. You can stop, like power slide, and that's basically like how you stop in snowboarding. But I don't. I just go straight. So yeah. Why don't we get back? Here it is. I usually get a little rundown from there, because I'm a big lad. But this time, because I'm recording, I'm not gonna do anything crazy. So, yeah. Shall we? Yeah, brother.
It's probably gonna look so lame on the video because you can't really feel the speed, but it's crazy. What could I say? Yeah. All right. This bench was made for me. Just kidding. But if I could give you another quick tip on longboarding, that's what I'm gonna call this video: tips and scenery. Anyway, so the point is when you turn, when you go really fast and you need to turn, you gotta get down as much as you can, you know, like lower your center of gravity and lean into the direction of the turn. So if it's to the left, you gotta get down and lean towards left because that's how physics works. Also, when you come to a place like this, it's not just for the speed, it's not just for the adrenaline, it's for the scenery, it's for the trees around, and it's for awkward highs and hellos that you're gonna give to people who roll by you, you know? There's another little thing. So we're approaching the big boy fall. We're gonna go up there and do a little descent. What is the word for it?
Alright, if I could give another tip, is watch out for people, because you don't want to hurt anybody, and we want to make it safe environment for other bikers, runners, whatever, you know? And that has been like the biggest concern of mine, because you have no brakes. It's not a scooter, it's not a bike. Longboard is right there. Yeah. And another thing is, talking about safety, and then the next tip is to commit. Just commit to it. You know what I mean? There's no way around it. The whole world is watching. You gotta commit. I wish I had a selfie stick.
Just on your left. Thank you. You want to be nice to people and let them know that you're approaching. You never know, somebody might rush into the left lane. So, you know, don't forget about that. Alright, story time, but right here in this spot, I had the biggest wipeout ever. And you're gonna say, wow, it's the smoothest road ever. There's literally nothing that will interrupt your riding. So what happened? The thing is, I took my brother one time, and damn, that was a mistake. So there's a little hill right here. It's nice, smooth road, so you go very fast, right into the sunset. Just kidding, it's not in sunset. But basically what happened, my brother was in the right lane. which you always should be in the right lane because the upcoming traffic is left. Like, it makes sense, right? So he went first, and I was approaching from the back, and he merged into the left lane, and we collided together, and I fucking pardon my language, but I broke my chin basically, and just like a bunch of little scabs and stuff. So yeah, if you're riding or whatever, just keep in your right lane, because it only makes sense. And if somebody's approaching, you might go off to the right a little bit, but don't ever cross, because people are gonna be, you know, going around you in the left lane basically. Yeah. Story time.
If I tried that straight up, I would fall, eh?
Oh yeah, you gotta hold on to it.
To it, right?
Yeah, I'm actually recording a video here, and I was saying how there I fell the worst way. Like we were with my brother, we collided.
Oh
I
no!
broke my chin. I was just saying about it. Yeah, it's pretty fun though.
You're lucky that you didn't get your teeth.
Right, that's true.
Yeah.
That's true.
Close.
Yeah. Oh man.
Yeah.
Yeah, the thing was split.
It can be bad. It can be bad, but it's fun at the same time,
It's
right?
really fun once you actually like get.
All right, another point I wanted to make quick times is that I feel like longboarders, skateboarders, and all these people just built up an image of these almost like crackheads, not crackheads, but people who do bad things, like smoke weed and go down the trails, this and that. Man, I can't smoke and go down the freaking trail. Not because I'm gonna wipe out. It's not the first concern. It's just that, like, my lungs are not working. You know, you gotta be able to climb hills and stuff after you went down them. And I don't know, whenever I smoke weed, I can't. It doesn't work as good. So I personally feel like it's a workout. It's not a thing you go doing on drugs type of thing, you know, like. And also, yeah, like you want the best attention that you can get, like your attention. Did that make any sense? But yeah.
Look at this huge tree, mate. Oh, boy, I've said this before, and I'm gonna say it forever.
Edmonton is beautiful. You just gotta know where to look. Isn't it funny how the bridge has the same color as these tables? That's nice. But if I were to make the last point for this video, because I noticed that my videos are super long and I gotta make them a little shorter.
15 minutes later.
So I think this is gonna be the end of it. I just wanted to say that I don't see a lot of people here, you know, like I go here pretty often, and I understand people are busy, they have to work, make that buck, but come on, you gotta also come outside and, you know, get one with the nature type of thing. And I'm gonna be releasing a lot more videos on spiritual development and what yoga and meditating has done for me. So yeah, keep in touch. But yeah, like on the weekend I see way more people, obviously makes sense. So yeah, people come out to the Victoria Park Trail and enjoy the sun, enjoy the nice weather. Even when it's snow, I don't even care. It's still beautiful, you know. You can still come out here and, you know, enjoy the nature. So here it is, Mark Locke. See you in the next video.